Hello everybody and welcome to your next C++ Made Easy HD tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to be learning about two more string functions, and that's the insert function and the replace function. So what the replace function does is what it says. It replaces some text in a string, and insert doesn't replace it, but it inserts something so you can add something to a string. Okay, and that can be a vital thing. This is why I say strings are important, because it can help with text files. We know that we cannot insert text into text files. We can only replace text or overwrite text, right? Well, if we were to call, say, open file or something, or like open our file and get a line in our file, and then edit that line, that string or whatever, and then use open file again, and use an offstream or whatever to write to that file, then we can overwrite that whole line, but we can insert the line of text that we actually want to insert, if that actually makes sense to you. Okay, but first we're going to talk about replace. So what I'm going to do is say line. I'm going to say this is coding made easy. Okay, so to replace a line, we have to put where we're going to start replacing from, and then we can put in our replace value. So I'm gonna put Peter. So, oh, sorry. When we replace something, we have to replace it from where we're gonna start replacing from. Sorry, it should be 8, and how many characters we are actually replacing. So in this case, we're replacing 14 characters, right? And then if we were to see out the line and we run this, just give it a second. So it replaced this is coding made easy with this is Peter. So it doesn't have to be the same length. It just says take this whole from index number 8, and since we're taking away 14 characters, take away all those 14 characters and start placing in what is in here, right? So we're going to incorporate a bit of what we learned last tutorial. So I'm going to say string. I'm going to say line 2 is equal to line dot substring, and I'm going to put 8. So we're going to copy this whole coding made easy right here. So say we don't want to actually count in all the numbers or whatever, how long the word is, then we could easily just say up to line 2 dot length, right? Because it's going to be storing coding made easy in here in line 2. So we're saying from index 8 from line 1, right? And we're getting the length of this word right here, right? And then then we're going to replace it the same way. So it's just the same thing. I'm going in a different manner, and you can see it replaces it just like it is supposed to, right? So that's just a different way to incorporate what we've done before into this method right here. Okay, so about inserting something. So we're going to insert, we're going to replace the word Peter, and what we're going to do is we're going to say insert, and we're going to start from index 8, and the text that we're going to insert is, I don't know, the amazing, because I'm going to be cocky for now. Okay, so it's going to say this is the amazing Peter, right? So what's going to happen is it says this is coding made easy. It says line dot replace 8 to 14, so replace coding made easy with the word Peter. Then it says line dot insert, so insert from index 8, which is going to be where Peter is, the amazing, and I should put a space there. And then after that, display the rest of whatever is in there. So it's going to say Peter after. So if I run this, so it says this is the amazing Peter. Okay, so what it did is that it never erased anything. It inserted it from that index, and then it displayed the rest of whatever was in that line. So that is, I think it's pretty simple. That's a quick overview. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to comment, rate, or subscribe. Don't forget to sign up on my website. So if you have any, like, sign up on the community. So if you have any questions, you can post them in there as well. If you have any problems. So that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And bye.